Oyo State. I declared to run for the presidency of Nigeria at 4 o'clock, and by 9 a.m. the following morning, the children were abducted. We're still feeling through. For 7 years, we didn't witness anything like this in Oyo State. Unbelievable. When Chibok happened, it was the fault of President Jonathan. They went all over the world, asked Jonathan to bring back the children. But this happened. No, it is the irresponsibility of the state governor and the state government. So we need to look at our architecture and be sure that where you give responsibility, you also give authority to deal with those responsibilities. And that is exactly what we will do if the people of Nigeria will trust.
Honestly, I understand what Governor Makinde is saying. But for me, I think the bus stops at rescuing these people. When people saw them that they are back, I think everything should let go, because a lot happened. A lot has been happening in Nigeria. We understand the politics of insecurity in Nigeria and so on and so forth. So there are so many things that may have happened. But once you get the result, once you get the souls that are remaining, once you get the people you are looking for, that is the result. You understand? For me, I don't think we should even be talking if the insecurity in Nigeria has been solved. Nobody should be talking about insecurity at all. You understand? So Makinde is trying to say that he declared to run for the office of the president. And that was a shockwave because the people believe that it is going to divide Tinubu's vote in the southwest. What is it called? Adeleke, Davido's uncle, is in a Accord party in Osun State. Makinde is in another party in Oyo State. That is going to divide the vote from the southwest, with the fear that North is not going to vote for Tinubu. The southeast and south may go to B2B. So it's like something that is uncomfortable to them. Now, Makinde is claiming, the governor is claiming that he declared to run for the office of the president by 4 p.m., for example, today. Then the following day, 9 a.m., they took these children. So I listened to one former DSS official who was saying that he don't think that what Makinde is saying is correct, because for them to kidnap these people, they may have planned it for a very long time before they kidnap them. Well, nobody may understand how long they used to plan for the kidnapping. Like I said, my most, utmost joy, right from yesterday till now. People may not understand how people are happy. A lot of people are happy, yeah. From across Africa, people are happy. That is to tell you that if the right things are being done, if this insecurity, collusion from the government, if they are not happening, you could have seen how people will support the government, how people will do everything to support the government. So saying Makinde, I think you should allow everything to lie. You understand? We do what happened during Goodluck Jonathan now, when they were saying Kashin Shettima was the governor of Tenabie and the Modu Sheriff self. You understand? So they did not even call the governor. They were blaming the president. Yes, the president should be blamed because he's the commander-in-chief. He is the commander-in-chief. So the president should be blamed about what happened. But my utmost joy is that these people have been released. So the chapter will be closed. They should focus on the one that they kidnapped in Borno State. Is it not the same day? It is the same day now. Other students were kidnapped in Borno State. So they should focus on releasing those ones and be releasing people. Even though I understand that a lot of people are also saying that they are doing it for political reasons, so that they can campaign that Chibok girls were kidnapped, we abducted. Goodluck Jonathan were unable to release it. Now this one, they kidnapped them. Look at Tinubu was able to release it. No matter how you twist it, for me, I don't play politics with insecurity. I don't play politics with insecurity. All I need is protection of lives and properties of the people. If people have been rescued, that is it. Then every soldier that participated, no matter the twist you are saying, everybody that participated in rescuing these people, for me, they deserve accolades. So even though there are a lot of stories, but for me, I have actually created a communication link. As time goes on, not now, as time goes on, maybe next week, next 2 weeks, I have to talk to people they kidnap. I have to talk to people they kidnap, like 1, 2, or 3 of them. You understand? So kudos to anyone that participated in rescuing these people. Like I said yesterday, if you have not been a victim of these things, you may not understand what it means. I have been a victim. I know what it is. You understand? So whatever they went through, everywhere they took them to, no matter what happened, the most important thing is that these people have been rescued. So I understand that Seyi Makinde's camp, they are not happy. They are not happy in the sense that they see what happened as a political witch hunt. You get it? They are seeing what happened as a political witch hunt. They are indirectly saying that this was orchestrated by Tinubu and APC just to make them to hate Makinde because he declared to run for the office of the president. That is what they are indirectly saying. But I'm still telling them that let it pass. You understand? Let it go because these people have been rescued. If these people have not been rescued, today we will still criticize the government, even though the terrorists brought them back from Sokoto or from Kaduna or from anywhere. We still heard information that they spent almost 1 week in Kanji Lake or Kanji Park. It's in Niger State, but it is linked also to Oyo State. All those things for me, it's an intel. It's a way so blowing this thing. Yes, the information comes, you share it. What I'm interested in is that these people have been rescued. If these people have not been rescued, criticism will continue. Dragging will continue. The purpose is aimed at rescuing people. If the one, let me give you an example now of what I'm saying. You see, people that were kidnapped in, is it Borno State, the same period that they kidnapped Oyo School? Why is it that nobody's talking about it? That is because people are not raising alarm. People are not sharing intelligence about their movement. People are not sharing intelligence about their whereabouts. People are not dragging Tinubu. People are not dragging anybody. They kept quiet. They are still keeping quiet till today. They are still in captivity. You understand? But you see this Oyo issue, like everywhere. People were even tracking their movement. You understand? People were like, the pressure was on government. So even though it was political, the pressure was there. You understand? Even though it was political, the pressure was there. That is what people can do. The citizens, the masses, that is the only thing you can do. If they kidnap you, put pressure on the government. Put pressure on the government. So even though the government is innocent, or even though the government colluded, even though the government was playing politics, when the pressure is on them, they don't have choice. You understand? If pressure is on them, they don't have choice. They don't have choice if pressure is on them. So, I see so many people who are also trying to say that this is what really happened. This is what really happened. They were rescued. They were not rescued. You see, the way I am. All these things are necessary if these people are still in detention. You understand? You can continue to share information about them. But I have seen at least, but the picture they sent, I saw 29 people. The picture they released, the video they released, I counted them, 29 people. But it is not, it was not 29 people they abducted. So where are the rest? Maybe the rest are taking medical treatment or something like that. I don't know. I'm just saying what I know. I don't talk what I don't know. So maybe those people are taking medical treatment. They are not part of the photo because they are not complete in that photo. But outside this, kudos to everyone that participated in bringing these people back. Okay? Kudos to them. I don't know what they may have gone through for over 2 months. They are in communication with the terrorists, I know. At the time, they went and they arrested the families of these terrorists. For you to know that they know them. They arrested their families and so many things happened. I said a lot happened. So the result has been achieved. I don't want to be narrating so many things, but a lot happened. When I mean a lot happened, a lot happened. But thank God and glory be to God that they have been released. People in Borno State, the school children they kidnapped there, you people should raise an alarm. Raise an alarm. Try to know their location. Raise an alarm. Put pressure on the people who are supposed to rescue them. They will do that. So that is it. To Seyi Makinde, the Oyo State Governor, you know, one more time, allow this thing to lie. These people have been rescued. Forget about everything you know. You understand? It's not everything you know you talk. You understand? It's not everything you know you talk. If, for example, now during election, let me see, during 2023 election, people were stabbed, and a lot of rigging happened. If INEC saw those evidence and INEC notified those areas, then you will not even talk about the malpractice that happened because justice have been served. That is my concept. And most of the time, once I get result, I don't reason what happened again. So, Shey Makinde should forget about all these things. They have been rescued. They should focus on how to get vigilantes, arm them with gun, let there be gun revolution, how to protect people ahead, how to protect schools ahead, how to protect churches ahead, how to protect mosques, how to protect people. That is what is necessary now, not to be talking about the past, because the terrorists themselves, they are forging ahead. So we should walk ahead and forge ahead as well.